Excuse me, not for me.
Extra income? Hindi na kaya ako. PM muna ako dyan. Pass muna ako.
Extra income? No, 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 no. For OFW, I'm already British.
Inversión en Pilipinas. No quiero invertir en las Pilipinas. No quiero tener riesgos.
Extra income?
No, alam ko na kaya yan.
Extra income? Hindi ko na kailangan yan. Stable na ang trabaho ko.
Extra income? Ha, ayoko nga. May duty pa ako.
Extra income? Oh my God, that is so jolong.
Extra income? Easy ako. Ayoko niyan.
Extra income? Laura, manon per me.
Ang laki-laki kaya ng sweldo ko.
I don't have time for that. Let's enjoy life.
Hindi naman ako magtatagal sa abroad eh.
Teacher kaya ako, and I know everything.
I am working in the best company.
Coffee is life, and shopping is lifer.
In Italia, la vita è bellissima.
Kontento na ako sa aking trabaho.
Oo nga, no? What if kung mag-close yung company namin?
Mamma mia, I lost my job. Ho bisogno un lavoro, per favore.
Oo nga, no? I only build others' dreams.
I hate you, Judith. Malapit na due date ng credit card ko.
Oh, meron pa pala akong hindi alam. Serve na lang ba ako ng serve?
Oo nga no. Nakakapagod na. Duty na lang ba ako ng duty?
Oo nga naman. Pilipino pa rin ako at ang aking pamilya. Kaya karapat-dapat lang na magpundar sa Pilipinas.
Nakakapagod na rin magtrabaho. Kailangan din talaga natin ng extra kita.
You're right. Hindi naman masama mag-extra income, di ba? I need to invest now.
Grazie mille for the new opportunity.
I wanna build my own wealth in my own term.
I want a plan for my future.
Excited to learn more and earn more.
Gusto ko, pagtanda ko, yung may magsiserve din naman sa akin.
No! It's time to care for my future.
Extra income? I love that. Tara! Paano ba yan?
Employee today, entrepreneur tomorrow.
Employee today, entrepreneur tomorrow.
Employer today, entrepreneur tomorrow.
OFW today, OF winner tomorrow.
Employee today, entrepreneur tomorrow.
OFW today, OF winner 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 tomorrow!
OFW today, OF winner tomorrow!